how to delete Telegram account in iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how you can delete Telegram account in iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Telegram app on your mobile and then sign into your account. After that, you have to tap on settings, then you have to scroll down and look for Telegram facts and then tap on it. Over here, you have to look for delete your Telegram account under the your account section. Then tap on it. Over here, you have to tap on the deactivation page link and you will be redirected to this page. Here, you have to enter your phone number which is associated with your Telegram account. Then tap on next. After that, you will receive a confirmation code on your number. So put it here in this box and tap on sign in. Then they will ask you to give a reason why you are leaving or deleting the Telegram account. So just type your reason here and tap on delete my account. At last, they will ask you for the last time whether you want to delete your account or not. So just tap on yes, delete my account and your account will be deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your Telegram account on an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like. Also, remember to keep your app updated to ensure you have the latest features and security improvements. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.